This video is pretty much for beginners on how to edit a vertical formatted video for TikTok or like YouTube Shorts for using Davinci Resolve. So your first step, go up to File, go down to Project Settings, and then you'll see Timeline Resolution. You'll see it's already set as 1920 by 1080, so you want to flip-flop these two numbers around. So we're going to do 1080 by 1920, go down and save it. And you want to click and drag your video into the media pool. So wherever you save your clips at, just click and drag it right in here into the media pool. And then a window will pop up saying, do you want to change your frame rate? I always click change. Now we're going to click and drag it down into the timeline. From here, you will see this little button right here, which is your edit button. You want to click on edit. And then you'll see this red line right here, your little cursor. So wherever you want to start cutting your video up, you'll scroll through wherever you see the beginning of the video. You want to stop it and bring up the blade button. To bring this up, you click B button on your keyboard. You'll see this little blade logo. You want to click the video and audio, and then the A button for the arrow. Highlight the two, and then delete it. And then you will automatically see the video adjust to the beginning of the timeline. So we're going to do the same process. Grab this red cursor, scroll through until you want to stop where you want to stop the video at. So same process, B button, blade, cut, A button, arrow, highlight, and delete. From here, what I usually do is highlight the gameplay. You want to click Control-C to copy it, and then scroll all the way over so your red line isn't touching your gameplay video. Control-V to paste it. Now we're going to stack these two. The top button, or the top video, is usually what I use for my webcam. So we're going to zoom in. You'll see the transform panel up here, top right. Zoom, you want to click and drag it to your right to zoom in. And then the position, the x-axis, you want to scroll all the way over. Depending on where your camera's positioned on your screen, the access numbers are going to be different. But just mess around with it until you find out what you like. I usually zoom in all the way where my webcam's touching both sides, and then the y-axis to move it up. There you have it. Now we're going to get rid of this gameplay video that's on the bottom of my webcam. So this little button right here, this little square, you want to click on the drop-down menu, crop it, and now we're going to zoom out with the little cursor wheel on the mouse. Then you'll see this little button right here. You want to click and drag it all the way up. Now I usually go back down here and click on transform, just so nothing else messes up. So now we're going to go down to the timeline, click on the original gameplay video. Now we're going to go back up to transform, zoom all the way in. I usually zoom in so the webcam on my gameplay video isn't shown. So zoom in, mess around with your accesses, whatever suits you. There we have it. From here, once you mess around with it, whatever you like, and it's time to export it. So we're going to go down to the rocket ship, this little logo down here. I'm going to click on it. File name, just do test. We're going to add a location wherever it saves. Go to browse. I usually just do desktop. Click save. Format. If you're on a Windows computer, it'll be an MP4 right here. I'm going to click on MP4 and then add to render queue. Once you click on add to render queue, it will pop up on the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you'll see this render all. I'm going to click render all, and then you'll see this little cursor scrolling through automatically, which will show you the process of the rendering. Once it stops, you will see it's already on the desktop. So there you have it, your vertical format video for TikTok or YouTube Shorts.
Let's go!
Hopefully this helped a few people out, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and it would help me out a lot if you guys liked the video and subscribed if it helped you out, and Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.